Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I need a haircut and all, but it's alright. But I'm about to go get me some food. Yeah, I'll probably go myself because, you know, why not? I'm always going by myself. But yeah, we're in SS today. And we're gonna get a nice cold start. This thing is loud, but I'm gonna get back to you guys in a little bit. And yeah, see you. Guys, this SS is mental. Like, listen, just listen. Ready? Look. Holy, oh my God. Like, how can you not have fun with this? LS3 motor. How can you not have fun with this? Like, I'm gonna just rev it for y'all a little bit. Downshift. Gone. This car would get you in so much trouble. It's not even funny. And you know, I have the M2, but it's like something about a V8 that makes you just wanna just make it scream. Like, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm enjoying it a little bit too much, but hey, you can never enjoy something too much. So I'm gonna just keep ripping it, and yeah. I'm gonna rip it one more time before I turn the camera off. There's like no gas in here, and I'm having a little bit too much fun. I'm about to go put gas in here right now. We're gonna see, watch this. Just listen to this, y'all. Really. Listen to this, y'all ready? Oh my gosh. Holy, like. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all when I get some food, and yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and see you guys in a little bit, and peace. Alright, we listen to that Drake. Let me turn it down though, that's copyright. But I went to IHOP, and I got me some French toast and bacon and sausages with eggs. I didn't want to bring my camera in. You know, I'm still a little bit shy of bringing cameras in places, but I'm gonna get used to it, okay? I promise. I don't know how I'm supposed to be vlogging and I don't even want to bring my camera. And I could use my phone, but I just wanted to enjoy my meal, and I hope y'all understand that. But we're headed back home now. I'm gonna go play some Call of Duty and just call it a day. And tomorrow we got some footage. Tomorrow there's gonna be some good footage. Sorry if it's like a little bit dark. See if I can make it a little bit lighter for y'all. But yeah, that's all for today. You know, you guys got to see the SS live in action. I'll give you guys one more pull before I go, and yeah, give one more pull for you. It doesn't get old. It doesn't get old. I misshipped a little bit, okay? I tapped it and then didn't register. I don't know what happened. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video, and peace out.